So even though my phone is telling me more light is required, all of this other BS, I knew I wanted to record this morning, but my DJI, I don't have my SIM card in there. I don't have my attachment for the light I just bought for this reason. And I was just like, oh, I'm gonna record and it's gonna be bad, but there's a reason why it's bad, okay? It's like 5:30 in the morning, and guess where I'm headed? To Pilates. I told y'all I was getting my life together. I'm getting my life together. So Pilates is up first. I want to take my kids to the zoo today, and it hurt me to have to hold this in for so long, because when I tell them things ahead of time, they usually bother me so bad to the point that I don't even want to do it anymore. So I was good this time. I didn't tell them and they didn't bother me too bad. And so today we're going to go to the zoo and all of that. So just stay tuned for the rest of my day, because there's no way I was prepared to record and then I wasn't prepared to record. So yeah, to Pilates. I made it to Pilates with 8 minutes to spare, and as y'all can see, it's a little brighter out here. Pilates is over, thank God. I'm a little tired, but I'm not tired. So I'm gonna go home and like straighten up a little bit, take a shower, and then we're gonna head to the zoo. I so wish the lighting was like crazy better at a different angle in this room, but I like this lighting better. So I got my life together. My kids are doing their chores right now. We're about to get ready to head out the door. Outfit of the day is a TikTok shop 3-piece set. I don't have their top, their little bra up under. I put my own. Some New Balances, and my hat came from Shein. I'm not gonna record that much while I'm there, so we can just be in the moment or whatnot. And I'll see you guys when I get back. We have made it to the zoo. It's crazy hot out here, but I don't want to get black, so we got on sunscreen and I got on long sleeves. So see you guys when we leave.
Trouble trusting, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time.
Made our little walking rounds. Next up is we're going to be driving through. They gave us some feed for the drive-through part, so that's our last little part. It's so hot out here. It's so hot. So I didn't use my DJI at all while I was out, but whatevs. We had a great time. It was so fun. We actually, so I went, this is my second time going to that zoo. I went like last time when I was actually stationed here, and my baby wasn't even born at the time. I actually went while I was pregnant with her, and she's 10 right now. So 10 years ago is the last time we went to that to that zoo, and she was excited. She was like, have I ever been here? I was like, you have, but you were in my tummy when you were here. They had fun. They were little scaredy cats. We all were scaredy cats because the big one at my car was a bit much. That's all I got today. I really need to I need to take them to Dick's so they can get size for their cleats. They got like football camps and stuff coming up. And then I still haven't made it to Burlington to get like the rest of the decor that I want for my my content room, and that's about it. I have heartburn really bad. I think I want to take a nap. Like 4 or 5 videos ago, I have always been saying, I'm gonna clean up my content room, I'm gonna clean up my content room, I'm gonna clean up my content room. I haven't cleaned up my content room. But that all changes today, actually. So I have, let me take this off. I have things everywhere. What I did do though is I got rid of my couch, and let me take this tracking off. I got rid of my couch and I bought 2, come on, I said no tracking. None. Cool. Okay, so I got rid of my couch and I bought 2 chairs, and they're clothes holders right now. And I have more clothes. The best thing about my content room is the fact that I have a whole nother closet. More clothes. So I am gonna try to figure out a way to organize my clothes. I have my workstation right here. That's my security monitor for my house. And then I have my iMac, and I also have my MacBook and my iPad. So I'm going to get some organization in here. I'm gonna go to either Burlington or At Home, you know, the little cheap stores or whatnot, and get me some more decor. I only want like a few wall art pieces, and that's about it. I don't like to do too much because I'm pretty much a minimalist, so I like a few things. I know you can't tell from all of the clothes that's in here, but that's how I like it. So I did have these pictures of like myself, and I think maybe it's a bit much right now, but my chairs are cute. They're actually from Amazon, and I might do a like a content rooms finds for my my Amazon storefront. That way you guys can see everything that I pretty much put in here. I have a whole bunch of mirrors. So this mirror right here is a something by 80. I know that it's the biggest mirror I've ever had, and I love the freaking mirror so much. Like, it's so huge, you can see everything in the mirror. But I actually am trying to figure out where I'm gonna place it. I want to move my computer area here instead of here, and my only dilemma with it is I can't move my security system, so that has to stay there. And it's an eyesore. I just don't like looking at it. What I did think of was buying like the what do you call that? They're like the little dressing curtains, but it's not a curtain, it's a panel, dressing panel or whatnot. So I was gonna put that there and then use that to cover it, and then that'll be kind of like something else added to for my get ready with me's and stuff like that. But I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to tackle corner by corner in here and see what I could come up with, and then I'll take you guys on my little shopping journey for when I grab other decor. I also bought like 4 of these mirrors, and I was gonna put them up, and I didn't want to be too ghetto because I don't like how they look sometimes when I see them on social media, but I'm not sure where they go. I just love mirrors a lot, and I know I have this really huge mirror here, but I want more. I also have this neon sign up here too with my name or whatnot. Well, it says BraiderBae, but I have all of that, and I'm just like, I really want to get some organization in here. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I hope you guys are down for the actual journey of cleaning this room up with me. So I was about to be so excited. I can put all of my shoes. I didn't even fill them all up, but trying to close the door and it won't close. Why? Because of this thing right here. So the description of my house, according to what this room is called, it's called a flex room or whatnot, but it's my storage room. But I need this gone so that I can put my shoes up there. So now I think I have to like figure something else out. No crib, talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pin size, cause the niggas try to break it in. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had it.
been a minute. It's been a minute. Had the poppers from the recreate the feeling.
All right, y'all. So I have really like taken my time with this content room, but I kind of got things where I need it. So I'm gonna sit you guys here. I'm gonna sit here. All right, so I have my chairs, my bookcase. I actually am going to switch my LED name lights out because I'm kind of over them. I want like just a different feel for them, and I'll use them for something else. I got my little wardrobe area, my chairs, my bookcase with all of my just cute stable clothes for now. And I have my computer area, which I think I'm gonna just leave here so I don't have to deal with my what do you call that? My security screen or whatnot. So I'm just gonna like spruce up my desk and we're gonna go from there. I actually I have not stopped, but I'm blocking off my hair schedule for the next few days because the holiday is coming up and I don't want to get swamped any more than I already am while braiding. And that way I can go to like Burlington and get me some more decor stuff for my room and actually get it all to come together. But I am going to go get me a trash bag and I'm going to start throwing stuff away. But we got a lot done here, okay? Because it used to look like a pigsty. Hi guys. I still ain't got nothing done in my hair. I have an appointment when? On the 8th, I think. But I want to show you guys my little outfit. My skirt is too cute. How am I gonna sit this? Like so? No. Want it show me? Okay, it'll show me. Skirt and shirt from Shein, of course. And do I have earrings in? Oh, I do. Skirt and shirt from Shein, and my shoes I think are from Old Navy. I think I bought them like 2 years ago when they had like a $5 sale. But I am headed to, where am I going? Dollar General. So my clients like to give me cash, and there's no standalone bank here actually for it. So all of the cash that I get, I have to go throw it in the Cash App and then put it into my account, or I just don't like to be stuck with cash. So Dollar General. I came home to do laundry. This is just the start of me separating my clothes. I don't usually separate by like colors and stuff unless I'm doing whites, but I separate by like my sweat bottoms, sweat tops, workout clothes, smaller clothes, underwear and stuff like that. That's how I separate. So that's just my washing method for myself. And I'm gonna go downstairs and I love that. Separate the rest of my clothes because I let them pile up. And I shouldn't have, like. Who does that? Me. Only me. But watch my transformation. I'm gonna try to get all of this done by tomorrow, which tomorrow is 4th of July. So I'm gonna try. I don't have anything else to do.
It's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you.
I also have, I'm so tired. While I'm downstairs. I also have a what do I have to do? A sleepwear haul for Shein. So I got a whole bunch of sleepwear. This is a pillowcase. But I have a whole bunch of sleepwear that I have to do for them, and it's all washed and everything, but I just gotta separate it. So more of this.
Said I'll be wrong, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? Said, baby, I'm a dog,
Happy 4th of July. I'm just getting back from, where did we go? Dave and Buster's. We had a blast. They're popping fireworks right now, and I'm about to try to go to bed. Here's my little outfit of the day. I had some shorts, but it actually was kind of cold there, so I changed and put jeans on, and that's about it. But yeah, so it's 4th of July. They're popping fireworks, and I had a great day. We just went to Dave and Buster's. I don't really get into holidays that much anymore. Birthdays, probably. That's about it. I can't tell you the last time I celebrated Christmas or anything like that, but yeah. Actually, this might be the end of this vlog, you know? So I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll start fresh next week once I figure out what direction I want to go with my content room. I think the last clip I showed that I had the sleepwear haul right there, and then I have my streetwear haul right there. So I'm gonna get those organized and figure out. Matter of fact, the reason I've been like holding off, and I actually have this one, the sleepwear has to be done by the 10th. So I've been holding off only because my hair's not done. And I could have thrown on my little half wig or whatnot, but I didn't. So I'm gonna wait till I get my relaxer touch up, and that way I can do it how I want to do. I don't know if I want to go curly or straight this time, but we'll figure it out. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.